Hey guys, this is Barry with FireAndIceOutdoorGear.com, and if you're watching this video, you probably bought one of our Slingshots, and I want to show you when you receive it how to put it together. So let's put it together. So when you receive your Slingshot, it'll come in this case, and we're going to put it together. You open it up, it'll come with sights, a Slingshot, and extra bands. We'll focus on the Slingshot. When you get your Slingshot, you'll get this extra bag. We'll dump everything out. So you get two different sights. You get sights that are very long, and you get sights that are very short. We're going to put the short ones on. You'll have two different kinds. You'll have one square and one that's round. I personally like that where I'm pulling the Slingshot, I like the square one on the top because that's my sight where I'll line it up. You'll stick this on and just line it up flush with the back. It's going to come with an Allen wrench and some screws. Take your screws and let's screw in the sight. There's a little hole on the side, and it's righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. You want to just make sure that it's flush on the side, and it'll line itself up perfectly. Just give it a little bit of a twist. And there's your sight. Let's do the other side. Same thing. Stick it on here. Put the little screw on my Allen. Make sure it's flush on the back. Screw it in. And that's done. So now I have a circle and a square. So let's put on the band. Unscrew these until it's flush to the back side where you don't feel the screw anymore. Same on each side. It's got a spring inside here so you can actually, it opens and closes by itself. Makes it simple. The green band is a 30-pound band, and the yellow band is a 10-pound band. We'll put on a thicker one. All you do is you slide it in till it touches the very bottom. Make sure it's level on both sides, and you'll screw it in. This is where you'll need a flathead screwdriver. You can also use the sight, your extra sights, to screw this in as well. Just hand tighten it. Then you can use the extra sight. You can stick it inside there and twist it and it will hold it. You can also do a flathead screwdriver. I have a pocket knife, a penny, anything kind of flat. It doesn't need to be crazy tight, but it needs to be tight enough that it don't come out. So we'll tighten this up with the flathead on my knife. There we go. You want to test them. Just pull just like that and test it. Pull it back. Make sure nothing. Don't dry fire these. You could break these. You do get a lifetime warranty of the body of this. So if you ever break it, break any of the sights, we'll ship you brand new ones for free. But that's it, guys. If you want to put on your fiber optics, I'll show you real quick how to do those. You'll need a lighter and scissors or toenail clippers, fingernail clippers. We're going to use the scissors on here, but I'll show you how to do that. So what you'll need is a lighter and some scissors, some fingernail clippers, and I'll show you how to put it in. You'll alternate them. It comes with red and green, and you'll alternate it on your sights. We'll start with this one is green. Slide it into the hole and just put a little bit of a tab on the back side. And just take your lighter. And that's all you need. It's not coming out now. Take your scissors and just cut and leave just a little bit of a tab. Light it. And now you have, let it come in. That little green sight right there. And you'll alternate it back and forth from red, green, red, green. We'll do it again. I'm going to change this over to red. Slide it into the hole. Just like that. Just take your lighter. And now it's permanent. It's good to do this without the band on. I'm going to cut that off. Heat it up. And now you have a green and a red. Can you see that? I'll put it up close, let you make sure you see it. So you see the green and the red. And that's all you have to do. Just alternate it all the way across, and you've got a great slingshot with sights on them. I appreciate y'all watching. Thank you for your business, and I'll see you next time.